With Impulse, I quickly found how enjoyable cooking is on induction. There was a lot of desire to want to cook on induction because of the environmental impacts of gas, and if it becomes enjoyable, if it becomes intuitive, if it becomes precise, this is the future of cooking. I hadn't experienced that feeling until working on an Impulse Cooktop. I'm Brandon Ju. I'm the chef and owner of Mr. Ju's in Chinatown, San Francisco. That's another thing that I really have enjoyed about working on Impulse is like the level of power it has, and also the steadiness of consistency it has. To go from rapid boil to low simmer, whether it's saute or fry or sear, all those things like make the experience of cooking more enjoyable and more successful. When it comes to good cooking, I think you kind of have to live on the extremes sometimes. You kind of have to like push it to the point of where, how far can I caramelize this cabbage? How gentle can I actually cook this chicken? I have a lot of confidence in what's happening, and it allows me to be more risk-taking on certain observations. Those differences of making something good to great.